The inheritance dispute over the late Sanjay Kapoor's estate has taken a dramatic turn in the Delhi High Court. Karishma Kapoor's children, Samaira and Kian, are challenging the authenticity of their father's alleged will. The main focus of the case is whether the will, which is key to the estate, is really signed by Sanjay Kapoor. Senior advocate Mahesh Jethmalani, representing Karishma's children, raised serious concerns about its authenticity. Before Justice Jyoti Singh, Jethmalani questioned the credibility of the will, pointing out that in certain crucial places, the document referred to Sanjay Kapoor as she and her. He argued, given the wisdom of the deceased, it was not possible that the will was signed by their father. Jethmalani highlighted a specific clause in the will, which referred to Sanjay Kapoor as a testatrix, the feminine form of the word testator. He said, when you find she and her 4 times in a will supposedly written by Sanjay Kapoor, a man known for precision and pride in his image, it's impossible to believe he drafted it. Jethmalani went further, saying, this is an absurdity. It shows the audacity which people have to present something like this in court. Unless Sanjay was of unsound mind, he could never have signed this. In one of the hearing's most intense moments, Jethmalani called Priya Kapoor an acute gambler, suggesting she risked her husband's legacy for control. Good luck to her, he added, but not at the cost of 2 children being robbed of their inheritance. Jethmalani also raised questions about the will's origin, noting that there was no physical evidence like handwriting or photographs, only a digital footprint. He said, what we have is Sanjay Kapoor, a meticulous person, has only an alleged digital footprint. He is a digital ghost. He also pointed out the glaring omission of Sanjay Kapoor's mother, Rani Kapoor, from the will, saying, her exclusion defies logic and decency. Jethmalani argued that Priya Kapoor had taken control of the estate under the guise of widowhood, pointing to errors and inconsistencies throughout the will, such as misspelled names and wrong addresses. The Delhi High Court is set to resume hearing on 15 October, with the future of Sanjay Kapoor's estate hanging in the balance. Will the true intentions of Sanjay Kapoor be revealed? Only time will tell.